now that I have plugged in my charging station, I need to still get ready for the day. So I need to wash my face, brush my teeth, cook myself breakfast, do my whole morning routine. And I figured I'd show you guys what that looks like. I mean, I know I've like shown this process like in every video probably almost, so I know you guys know how I brush my teeth out here. Oh, also, um, this is an electric toothbrush, obviously, and I forgot my charger, so it's like basically dead. It has like little spurts, but yeah, it's just like a normal toothbrush now. Since I don't have a hair tie on me and I need to get this mess out of my face, I think I'm just gonna shove it all into my hat. Oh, okay. I think it worked. This is so like this is probably so gross to so many people, but whatever. Hi. My phone decided that its storage is full, so I guess we're picking up right in the middle of washing my face. So I guess I'll set you there. I don't really have a good place. Okay, that works. Okay. Anyways, we're just about to apply the cleanser. I feel like I need more. Oh my gosh. Went down my sleeve again. I don't know why that always surprises me when I wear long sleeves. At least it's not cold out here. Like in the last couple of videos when I did this, it was cold. It was chilly. Not gonna lie. Okay. I know this looks really funny on me. Just ignore it. This is my moisturizer. I ran out of my other one, so this is what I have instead, which it works. I feel like I look like I have a bonnet on my head. But next thing is sunscreen, obviously. I suck at skincare, so I don't know if this is supposed to go before or after your moisturizer, but I'm assuming after, or maybe I don't know. Someone please tell me if it's supposed to go after. I think it is, but so when I was at the store, when I was stocking up on all my food to come out here, I bought this gallon jug, and I've been kind of just using it on a daily basis to fill up my water jugs, because it's so much more like accessible to it's easier to move around. But with that said, it's time to fill it for the day. I chose the worst filming location, I'm so sorry, but I need to get this puppy out. Okay. So for breakfast, I'm thinking eggs, salsa. Ooh, I have tortillas too. I could make like a... Okay, that's what I'm doing. So in that case, like a breakfast burrito. So I have cheese, salsa, eggs, guac, and potatoes. Okay, I just realized that my butane, I'm running kind of low and I only have 1 can left. So I'm not gonna, it would take forever to cook the potatoes, so I'm not gonna waste my precious butane on potatoes. So scratch the potatoes, but everything else will be relatively quick to cook. Ooh, I could put queso in it. Let's go look. What's the... Oh my gosh, the wind. I have a windshield. I guess I don't even need it anymore. I don't, like, what? Is it blowing this way? The wind here, like, wastes my butane. So I put one of my window covers here. And I don't even think that's where it's coming from. Stop! Stop blowing out. Like, if I take this away, it's the same. But I'm blocking it from here. So... Please help me. Can this wind please stop? It's blowing my butane out. I think the war is pointless. Leave no trace, people. Stop! Stop blowing out. I made the executive decision to cook inside. It's windy out there and nothing was working. I'm gonna put the stove on the guac, make it level. That didn't really do anything. This turned into a really dysfunctional morning routine very quickly. Like, the wind isn't bad, it's just enough to get on my nerves about wasting butane. And the more butane I use, the less time I can be out here. No. Now it's cooking too fast. No. I know this is probably killing, like, whoever's watching, especially if you're an egg connoisseur, but I'm not. I cook my eggs very differently than most people. I cook them very slow and with a lot of cheese. So that's what I'm doing this morning, obviously, or else I wouldn't eat them. I'm telling you that in order for me to eat eggs, I have to, like, drown out the egg taste. So that's why I'm doing this. This is gonna fall apart in like 2 seconds. Oh my gosh, my hat. Oh my god. Thought I about died. The tortilla was stuck to the roof of my mouth. Pretty good though. I approve of my breakfast endeavor this morning. Cheers. I can't believe this is my view. That really just is unfortunate. Because in order to get that jar of salsa, I have to crawl to the front of the car, get my shoes, and then go pick it up. I just finished cleaning all of my dishes, and I literally just remembered that I could have filmed that, but I forgot. It's okay. It's not that interesting. But yeah, I'm done with this. I'm gonna put these away, and then I'm gonna crawl in there and edit for the rest of the day. So yeah, it's 10:45. I didn't intend on this taking this long, but it happens. Yeah, I think that's everything. So I guess thanks for joining me this morning.